Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to update WhatsApp in Android. First you need to search Play Store and you need to find Play Store and open Play Store. This is Play Store, open Play Store. Now you need to search, this is search bar, search WhatsApp WHATSAPP. Now search it. Now you see this WhatsApp messaging. Click on it. Now you see this green updates option. Click on it. So this way we can how to update WhatsApp in Android. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.